Hello everyone, today we will talk about the new 2024 Nissan Juke, and before you start, subscribe to the channel so as not to miss new videos, because they come out every day. Let's go! Nissan updated the Juke for 2024 in a quest to regain its shine in a crowded small SUV segment. While the exterior remains largely unchanged, the interior has been overhauled with a larger infotainment display alongside improved fit and finish. Other highlights include the new N-Sport flagship trim and the reintroduction of a yellow color option. The biggest change is the new 12.3-inch infotainment display that sits at the top of the slightly redesigned dashboard with an incline towards the driver. The much larger display is included as standard and can be combined with a new 12.3-inch configurable digital instrument cluster. The upgraded infotainment supports wireless and Ride Auto, Apple CarPlay, and comes with an improved voice recognition system. Nissan says that the leather-style material that's wrapped around the steering wheel is smoother to the touch. The glove box is now bigger, and new seats are added in most trims alongside a redesigned center armrest that claims to be more supportive. Furthermore, the electric handbrake, wireless charging pad, and USB-A/USB-C outlets for all passengers bring the Juke on par with 2024 standards. Exterior updates are limited to a revised color palette and new wheels measuring up to 19 inches in diameter. The highlight is the reintroduction of the yellow color option that hasn't been available since the first generation of the Juke. Nissan says that customers kept asking for yellow Jukes, adding that the new shade is slightly paler compared to the previous iteration. The color and trim department also revised the formula for the pearl white and metallic black shades. The Juke Sport trim is the new range topper, adding a black finish for the roof, pillars, wheels, wheel arches, mirrors, and grille, contrasting the new yellow shade. Inside we find yellow stitching, dashboard trim, and matching inserts from recycled Alcantara, plus Juke emblems embossed on the seats. Friends, do you like the new 2024 Nissan Juke? Write your opinion in the comments, as well as like and subscribe to the channel so as not to miss the latest news from the world of cars. See you soon. Goodbye, everyone.